going to walk you through how to reset the service light on a Volvo. This works for a ton of years, all right? All right, here's how you reset the Volvo maintenance light, service indicator light. Go ahead and, we're not doing anything right now. Key's out of the ignition. We'll get the key. Don't jam it in the hole, all right? Slide it in there. Just go to the first position. It says 1, all right? When you go to 1, you're gonna see you have no dummy lights on, all right? All right, now this is gonna be a little funky here because I'm trying to film this at the same time, but we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna push this down and switch it to number 2, all right? Wait for it to start flashing. And when it starts flashing, that's when we're gonna let go. Oh, let go, all right? Don't let it continue flashing. Turn it off, turn it back on, let's fire it up. Since I got the driver door open, I'm gonna shut that. I'm just gonna say hood open now. But that's it, guys. So don't let it flash all the way through. Remember, don't let it continue flashing. When it starts flashing, turn it off. Thanks for your viewership. Don't be like the guys at Grease Monkey and Jiffy Lube that say, I know how to do it. It doesn't matter if you know how to do it. And get it done, do your job right. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.
I'm getting awesome. You're getting